Hello everyone, it's Ben at TV Parts today. In front of me on the table we have an LG unit model OLED65A1PUA. We are going to be going over some of the things that you can try if you have lines on your television screen. The first step here is to note the orientation of these lines. If they are going from left to right, that is horizontal, then this most likely means that there is a problem in the panel itself, so swapping out a board isn't necessarily going to fix that issue. If you are seeing lines on your television screen that are going from top to bottom, that is vertical, then most likely there is going to be an issue in either the TCON board or the main board. We're going to have a short video here highlighting exactly how to get the TCON board out of your unit first. The first step for the TCON board is going to get these clips and cables away from the TCON board itself. This one's going to have a small lever on the back that we want to depress with our thumb. Should slide out and away. Same thing with this guy. Depress that with our thumb, slides out and away. These two guys are going to have two buttons on the right and left side that we want to push down, and those just walk right out of there. Same thing with this guy. Depress those two buttons, walk it right out. These ribbon cable connections here at the bottom we want to pop up with our fingernail. And then these ribbon cables themselves should just come right out. Easy stuff there. So let's get these screws out of the TCON board, and this should come away from the chassis. And that's our TCON board. We are going to have another short video highlighting how to get the main board out of the unit next. For the main board, the first step is going to get all of the plugs and clips away from the main board itself. We're going to start with this guy right here. We want to pinch down on the right and left side on those two little clips, depress them both, slowly walk it out and away from the board. This one right here, we're going to pop it up with our fingernail. We're going to do this guy too. And then what we want to do is slowly walk these ribbon cables out and away from the main board. They are pretty delicate. We do want to be careful with those, that we don't cause any damage to those ribbon cable connections. This guy is going to be the same style as this one. We're just going to want to pinch down on the two sides, slowly walk it out away from the main board. The next step is going to be to get all of the screws holding the board into the chassis out of the main board so that we can free that here. And after the screws come out, we should just be able to lift this main board up and away. If you have swapped out both the TCON board and the main board and you're still seeing lines on your screen, there could be an issue in the panel itself. We are going to have a link down below in the description to a subreddit that you can go to ask us any more questions. That's going to do it for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, leave us a comment down below, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we will see you next time.
Thank you for watching another TV Parts Today repair video. If you have a question regarding your TV repair, post a comment and we will try to help. And don't forget, you can help us and stay up to date by subscribing, liking, and sharing our content. Also, check us out on Facebook.